Good morning for each of my dear students. My name is Haider Gomez, your English teacher, and today I am going to explain you about the work that you are going to do in a speaking word. Remember that this week we are working in the use of will and be going to difference. The first thing that you are going to do today is look at this video, right? This is an amazing teacher, Alejandro Lopera, and Alejo is going to explain you about some difference between will and be going to. But I am going to explain you some difference before that, right? So, second one. After watching this video about Alejandro Lopera, my dear guys, you are going to watch another video. This video that I am recording in this moment, and it is going to explain you some specific themes about this task. I am going to give you a general explanation, right? Will and going to. Yes, what is will? What is the be going to? Will is used to express the future action decided at the moment. Yes, of speaking at the moment that you were speaking. While, yes, going to describe the future plan decided before at the moment you speak, right? Or you were speaking. For example, you say, I will have salad now. I will have salad now. So you go and prepare the salad. But I am going to visit, or maybe, I am going to visit my aunt next Friday. You are planning to visit your grandma, right? Yes? Okay. Will is used to indicate a prediction based on personal opinions or experiences, while going to is used to express a predictions based on a present evidence. For example, I think that the United will win the game. Yes, you were watching a match between United States and Canada, right? And an example, this is a baseball game, right? And you say, the United States team, they are playing better than Canada. So the United States team will win the game. Yes, because it is your opinion. So you consider that they are playing better than Canada, right? So, and maybe you look some clouds, and some of the clouds are very dark. You say, it is going to rain. Yes, it is going to rain because it's a prediction, right? You say, oh, it is going to rain, right? Maybe some drops are falling and you say it's going to rain, right? Yes. Will express the future in fact. Going to is used to describe something is about to happen. For example, the sun will rise tomorrow. Yes, it is a fact, right? It is a fact. The sun is always the sun rays every day. And get back, you say, you and some friends are close to a bomb. You say, hey, get back. The bomb is going to explode. Yes? So you need to get back because it's going to happen, right? Because it's something that is described is happening, right? So what are you going to do, guys? Yes, remember that the first you are going to do is watch this video. Yes, this video is explaining in Spanish. I am explaining all in English. Yes? And then you are going to watch here. I am going to pull the link between this video I am recording in this one here and the activity that you are going to do for this speaking. Yes? Each student must prepare a presentation in PowerPoint about your thing that you want to do in the future. Whatever you are, the activities near so far or simply planned. Then you must recall the presentation in a Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is this platform or app, and I'm going to use it in this moment. And only have delivered the link of the video with a cover page presentation to me, right? In the link that you will find below here, you will be able to receive an explanation the use of the platform of a Screencast-O-Matic, right? For watch your video. Yes, for example, you have the presentation in PowerPoint about the future. Yes, the personal presentation show about, hello, my name is, I am in grade, right? And today I'm going to explain you about the future. Yes, some sentences in future. And then you, into PowerPoint presentation, you are going to put into it, right, excuse me, pictures, images that can be, that the PowerPoint, it's more exciting at the moment that me I'm watching the presentation of the video, right? Yes, pictures that can decorate the presentation, right? This is all, my dear students, and an excellent day. Thank you so much.